All right, guys, all can hear me. All can hear me. Yes. So हमारा वेक्टर्स कंप्लीट हो गया था. नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल स्टार्ट विथ न्यू चैप्टर. आज हम फ्रॉम ऑल sections of vectors we will be doing questions. So just let us wait for a minute. All will join and we will start. This will be a kind of vectors practice session. So we are not going to discuss today कि किस section से question होगा. Randomly you will be getting questions and you have to do them. सारे क्वेश्चन ऑप्शनल रहेंगे. So I have collected almost 15-20 questions. So let us target to complete them. चलो बिफोर एवरीवन जॉइंस हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन करना. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन और इसके आंसर्स इन द पॉल ऑल विल गिव. क्विकली वी विल डू गाइस. जितने जल्दी हम करेंगे उतने ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. तेजस, व्हेन डिड यू जॉइन द क्लास? तेजस, you can hear me? When did you join the class?
Sir, now.
Right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Today we will do all the questions from vectors, MCQ questions.
Okay, sir.
And new week we will start new chapter. So today you will not get the idea that this question is from this section. हम बस क्वेश्चन करेंगे. That you all have to think कि किस सेक्शन से है. Unit vector is represented by this. Find the value of C. जिनका हो जाएगा वो पॉल में मार्क करेंगे. एटलीस्ट 50-60% हो जाएगा पॉल में, देन वी विल डिस्कस. Half of you only did, guys. यूनिट वेक्टर दैट मीन्स इसका मैग्नीट्यूड 1 है. सो रूट ऑफ 0.5 स्क्वायर प्लस 0.8 स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1, राइट? दिस इज द वे टू फाइंड द मैग्नीट्यूड. सो स्क्वायर बोथ साइड. So 0.5 square plus 0.8 square plus c square equals to 1. So c square will be 1 minus 0.5 square minus 0.8 square. तो ये हो जाएगा 1 minus 0.25 minus 0.64. That will be 1 minus 0.89. तो ये हो जाएगा 0.99. 0.11, right? 0.11. And c will be root of 0.11. That means it is approximately B option. B will be the correct answer for this. Okay, not more than 2 minutes, guys, for each question. Number 2 we will do.
Sir, can I scroll up little bit? Sir, little more.
जल्दी करेंगे. Number 2 in the poll, all can mark. So A and B are two vectors such that A plus B is equal to A minus B. इसका magnitude are equal. So let us square both sides. तो A plus B इसका square is equal to A minus B इसका square. तो A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. और ये dot product है. So this gets cut. We have 4A dot B is equal to 0. That means A dot B is equal to 0. अब ये dot product 0 कब होगा? When the angle is 90 degree. So those who selected here C, most of you selected C, they are right. Another one we will do. So number 5. Here most of them selected B. Let us see the answer. Two vectors are such that A vector plus B vector is C vector and A square plus B square is equal to C square. Theta is the angle between A and B. So let us take this and square. A vector plus B vector is equal to C vector. तो square करेंगे तो क्या होगा? A square plus B square plus 2 into A dot B, and this will be C square. Since A square plus B square is equal to C square, so I can cancel them. So what do we get? A dot B is equal to 0. What does this mean? That the angle is 90 degree. So everyone understood how to do this one? Very simple question this was. Number 9 we will do.
Sir, in fifth question, how did A square, B square, C square cancel?
It is given that A square plus B square is C square. If I give you 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, then can't you cut 2 plus 3 on one side and 5 on another side?
Yes, sir.
Or you can take A square here, B square here, C square minus A square minus B square. From here if you arrange, it will be 0.
Okay, sir.
90 डिग्री दैट मीन्स पाई बाय 2. ये रेडियन मेजर्स हैं. एंगल्स वी मेजर. एंगल्स अभी तक जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो है डिग्रीज में. एंगल्स हम रेडियंस में भी हम पढ़ते हैं. सो इसके कन्वर्जन फैक्टर्स अभी याद रख लो. 2 पाई रेडियन इज इक्वल टू 180 इंटू 2, दैट इज 360 डिग्री. राइट. तो 90 डिग्री निकालना है तो इसमें यूनिटरी मेथड लगा सकते हैं. इफ 2 पाई इज 360 डिग्री तो 1 डिग्री कितना होगा? 2 पाई बाय 360. 90 डिग्री का निकालना है रेडियन टर्म्स में. 2 पाई बाय 360 इंटू 90, तो ये हो जाएगा 2 पाई बाय 4, दैट इज पाई बाय 2. पाई बाय 2 मतलब होता है 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो ऑल कैन रिमेंबर दिस फैक्टर. 2 पाई रेडियंस में इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री में. There are 2 units of measurement of angle. Number 9, all will do. Number 9. If the angle between the vectors A and B is theta, then what will be the value of the product B cross A dot A? B क्रॉस A का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा गाइस? जस्ट ऑब्जर्व, हमने ये डायरेक्शन के बारे में पढ़ा है ना कि क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट का डायरेक्शन इट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन कंटेनिंग A एंड B वेक्टर. लेट्स से दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, तो ए क्रॉस बी का डायरेक्शन क्या होगा? विल कम आउट ऑफ द स्क्रीन, परपेंडिकुलर टू स्क्रीन, राइट? तो अगर ये परपेंडिकुलर टू स्क्रीन है ए क्रॉस बी, सो दैट डॉट ए के साथ कितना एंगल बना रहा है? 90 डिग्री। तो आंसर क्या आ जाना चाहिए? 0। दिस इज करेक्ट। ये जो सी मिलेगा, सी करेक्ट है, देखो। बट यहाँ पे ये पता है ना, ये यहां तक करेक्ट है, दैट बी क्रॉस ए यू विल गेट बी ए साइन थीटा। ए के साथ कितना एंगल बना रहा है? 90 डिग्री। सो दिस इंटू ए इंटू कॉस 90 डिग्री, एंड दिस इज 0। तो ये सारा चीज 0 हो जाएगा। डी विल बी द आंसर। Number 10, quickly, all will do this. For number 10, all can mark in the poll. A1 and A2 are two non-collinear unit vectors. They are non-collinear. Then you have to find the value of A1 minus A2 into 2A1 plus A2. So here we can just multiply. ये क्या होगा 2a1 into a1 dot होगा plus a1 dot a2 minus a2 dot to a1 minus a2 dot a2. So here what we will get 2 into a1 square. This is minus a2 square, and this will be minus a1 into a2, right? This is the dot here, a1 dot a2. And then what we will do, we will use this expression. From here, square both side, we'll get a1 square plus a2 square plus 2 into a1 dot a2, that is 3, right? So then we will use this to get the value of this one. तो इसका value ये निकला. So how we will use this value? Let us take the value of a2 square. तो a2 square क्या मिलेगा? 3 minus a1 square minus 2a1 a2. And let us put here. So 2a1 square minus a2 square क्या है? 3 minus a1 square minus 2a1 dot a2 minus a1 dot a2. ये तो यहाँ था ही. So this will give us 2a1 square plus a1 square, that is 3a1 square minus 3 plus 2a1 a2 minus a1 a2. So this is 3a1 square minus 3 plus a1 a2. And then guys, what you all did? Not, they are given that they are not collinear, and you have a plus a1 plus a2, their magnitude as root 3. It's given they are unit vectors, right? That means a1 और a2 का value क्या है? 1. So let's put here 3 minus 3 into a1 dot a2. a1 dot a2 यहाँ से निकल सकता है, और let us make it even more simpler. If this is given, let us square. क्या मिलेगा? a1 square plus a2 square plus 2a1 dot a2, that is 3. इसका वैल्यू 1 होगा, इसका वैल्यू 1 होगा, तो इधर आके 2 माइनस होगा. So what we will get? a1 dot a2 is equal to 1 by 2, right? Their dot product is 1 by 2. So this value we have to find. a1 vector minus a2 vector into 2a1 vector plus a2 vector. तो ये क्या होगा? 2a1 square minus a2 square minus a1 into a2. So this will be 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. So answer will be 1 by 2. Most of you selected C, and that is right. Number 17 we will do. Quickly all will do the angle between P plus Q and P minus Q. How do we find the angle? P plus Q. Take the dot. So this dot will be equal to P dot P, that is P square plus Q square minus 2 into P dot Q. So take the vectors, because here you do not have information about the further activity. What we can do, this is P vector, this is Q vector. So P plus Q किधर आएगा? Somewhere over here. This will be P plus Q. P minus Q, what will be the direction of P minus Q? Q is here, minus Q will be here. So P minus Q is direction में होगा, right? So what will be the angle now between this P plus Q and P minus Q? What can be the angle? It will be between 0 to 180 degree, right? It will be between 0 to 180 degree. Very simple question this was. Number 20 quickly all will do. Quickly, all will do. Only few answers I have got. Let us see this answer. Most of them have got B and C equally. Let us see which one is right. So here the vectors are perpendicular to each other. That means their dot product will be 0. So how do we take the dot product? Multiply the coefficients together. I का coefficient क्या है? A. So A into A square. J का coefficient A into minus 2. That is minus 2A. K का coefficient 3 into minus 1. So minus 3. And now we see that this is a quadratic equation. So we can solve it by using quadratic formula. तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा 2 प्लस माइनस 4/2 दैट इज 1 प्लस माइनस 2। तो इसका क्या वैल्यू आया, एक आया 1 प्लस 2, दूसरा आया 1 माइनस 2। So this is 3 or minus 1, but you have to find positive value. So answer will be D. B and C, most of you have selected equally. That will not be right. So in the next class, guys, we will start with Newton's laws. Let us keep doing the questions today. Number 19, ये सभी कोई करेंगे.
Sir, for question 18, what is the correct answer?
Where is question 18?
Sir, the question 18.
This number 20.
Yes, sir.
Is D. D is correct. Just now we found D is correct. I marked also here. Number 19, ये जल्दी से करेंगे सभी कोई. Quickly, all will do. Only 40% of you have done. Just 10 of you have done, guys. So force here is 3I plus 4J. Whatever information is given, based on that only we will do this question. Displaces it by this much. So displace हुआ तो ये एक अलग वेक्टर आ गया 3I plus 4J. The work done is, ये फॉर्मूला भी दिया हुआ है, कैसे निकालना है वर्क डन. ये दोनों वेक्टर का डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेंगे हम, and this will be 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. So that will be 25 joules. So B will be the correct answer here. Let us do this number 23. Just last 4 questions we have, guys, and we will be done with all practice questions. So most of them I can see they have selected here C, and this is pretty simple. We have been doing questions like this. Angle between the two vectors. So we use dot product. So A dot B multiply the coefficients together, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into minus 5, and this is equal to AB cos theta. So the left hand side comes out to be 0. So that means cos theta itself is 0, and this is only possible when angle is 90 degree. So C will be the correct answer for this one. Number 25 we will do. The length of component of this vector along the vector I plus j. So regarding projection of vectors, we have already seen many questions. So let us say this vector is B vector. So what will be the projection of A along B vector? It will be A cos theta. And A cos theta can be written as A dot B divided by the magnitude of B. So A dot B we can find 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 divided by magnitude of B will be root 1 square plus 1 square. So that will be 5 by root 2. And this 5 by root 2, A option will be correct. So most selected A, that is right. Let us do this number 24. Just last 3 questions we have. Last 2 questions quickly. The maximum and the minimum value for the resultant of two vectors. Two vectors are having the magnitude 7 Newton and 3 Newton. So it says maximum is 7, minimum is 3. So A plus B is 7 and A minus B is 3. You have to find the smaller force. So let us add these two. So we get 2A is equal to 10. That means A is 5. So if A is 5, B is 2. So smaller force, what is the magnitude? Answer will be C, that is 2 newtons. And let us do this last question. Quickly, all will do. This is the last one. Only 30% of you have done. It's given that A cross B. ये क्या है? A cross B का magnitude. So that is AB sin theta is equal to root 3. A dot B is AB cos theta. So AB gets cut. What we have? Sin theta by cos theta. That means tan theta is root 3. And tan theta root 3 कब होता है? When theta is 60 degree. And we have to find the value of magnitude of A plus B. तो magnitude of A plus B क्या होता है? A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So that will be root A square plus B square plus 2AB into cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So this gets cut. And we get the answer as A square plus B square plus AB whole raised to power 1 by 2. So option A, those who have selected, they are right. Alright guys, so today we discussed all the questions related to the vectors once again. We practiced all the questions. So everyone should keep revising the vectors, and in the next class we will start with Newton's laws of motion. We will talk about forces, we will talk about the effects of forces, all other things, but in a little advanced manner, not the things which we have already discussed. All right, so see you all guys in the next class with new chapter. Bye everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.